Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip on how to figure out the Mixolydian mode quickly on the guitar. You can quickly get to it by playing a major scale form and lowering the 7th note. That's the only difference between an actual major scale and a Mixolydian mode. So if I wanted to play a Mixolydian, for example, I would play whatever major form I'm comfortable with. So that was A major. Now if I lower the 7th note, instant Mixolydian. This works for every pattern that you already know and every octave, certainly. So just modify one you already know. Hope this helps. Have fun.